Sorry? 30, yeah, 30.
Yeah.
30, come on.
38.
Thank
Sorry.
you so much.
Wait. Until 35 first. And then
Okay.
you can start.
Makali.
Motivation. I would like to present about Borobudur Temple. Well, good evening everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon everyone. Borobudur Temple is one of the most incredible world in the world. They stay in Indonesia. They was built in 8th centuries and they become from the architect who built when he was leading the kingdom. This means in Indonesia area, but it was not they didn't know how they're built. But the history talking about when he was broken and he find the stone, many kind of stone who around the place. Actually now we know the place is Magelang. They was in the Central Java, and Borobudur Temple consists of 121.66 large and 121.63 weight and 35.40 height. According to Stupa, about 570, and the statue around 45. Okay, and then the temple, Borobudur Temple is one to be a place to pray, Buddhist community, and then but in this area Java, I think there is not too much Buddhist community, but around the people usually has many kind of religion. But Buddhist community only when the kingdom to be leading the kingdom when they era. But now I think Java most famous about Muslim community. But in Indonesia, West Java, Central Java is still special place to visiting because many kind of tourists every day still coming to show Borobudur Temple, and then they will know about history Borobudur Temple. But unfortunately, the Indonesian people, only a few people who want to know about history, our historical, but many kind people from the other countries still coming and want to join and want to know more about Borobudur Temple. But I think when I came to Borobudur Temple yesterday, I think to be input for my opinion, there is must be more lesson about history in Indonesia, especially maybe Borobudur Temple, because there is the most from the other country. The only in Indonesia who has the biggest temple, I think. So, and then I want to introduce for the other people maybe who still learning history when you still junior high school. I think you must more has knowledge about historical. When we saw the Borobudur Temple yesterday, I think only tourists from the other country who know about the story exactly. But we only know because I just read the information in the wall, and I know there has information. One important information is when you want to know about historical, you can go around the Candi Borobudur Temple, and they must go from side way, and you cross the
Closing
Candi
Closing.
Candi Borobudur Okay, thank you for this moment. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is Dina Sofiani Vidina. I'm from Group E. I want to present about Borobudur Temple. As I know, Borobudur Temple is a place where we can meet so many native speakers, and we can find so many temples there. The location of Borobudur Temple is in Magelang, Central Java. In Borobudur, there are 72 stupas, and in Borobudur wall, there are so many reliefs. The reliefs explain about Buddhist religion and people in Dynasty Shailendra era. Borobudur Temple was built by Dynasty Shailendra and in Dynasty Shailendra era. If you want to meet native speakers in Borobudur Temple, there are so many native speakers who wants to know more about Borobudur temples. Borobudur Temple was include miracle of work. Borobudur Temple is used to take a pray for Buddhist religion. When I came to Borobudur Temple yesterday, I met so many native speakers, and they thought Borobudur Temple is so wonderful. So many native speakers like Borobudur Temple, and several peoples of Muslim come to Borobudur temples too. In Borobudur temples, we can know more about Buddhist religion and Buddhist culture. If you want to know about Buddhist religion, you can go to Borobudur Temple. In Borobudur Temple, so many people want to know more about Buddhist religion.
Okay, come on, continue.
Yes. In Borobudur temples, there are so many stupas, and Borobudur temples. In Borobudur temples, there are 3 grades. In the Borobudur, in Borobudur temples, there are 3 kastas. In Borobudur temple was made by Gunadarma. In
1 minute.
Borobudur temples, we can see so many stupas put out about Buddhist religion and Buddhist culture. And in Borobudur temples, there are so many guides who can explain us what is Borobudur temple exactly. In Borobudur temples, there are a seller who sell Borobudur books history, and only a few people who know about history of Borobudur temple. Okay, for your attention, I'm sorry my voice is not good. Thank you for attention. See you next time.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm Ridwan Irfan from I group. I group, and I want to present a little bit about Borobudur. Borobudur was built in 9th century, and it was built by King Samaratungga from Sailendra dynasty. As I know, Borobudur has 72 stupa and 205 status, and Borobudur is located in Magelang in Central Java, and in 2010 there is a biggest restoration in Borobudur because it is impact of eruption of Merapi, and Borobudur Temple is one of the 7 wonder heritage in the world, and so many people in the world know about Borobudur, and Borobudur is the favorite location for the foreign people from the other country, and that is the reason for people to come to Indonesia. In Borobudur area there is Candi Mendut. As I know, Candi Mendut is older than Candi Borobudur, and when I was came to Borobudur, there is so many stone in Borobudur, and there is restoration too in Borobudur. And what else? Borobudur is the biggest candi in South Asia, and maybe the biggest in the world, maybe. And if you want to visit Borobudur, you can go with bus, and maybe you can go with travel. And if you want to know about story of Buddhist, you can go to Borobudur, and